Hey, I'm Trisha Morris at Club Scrap with the In Transit card kit releasing from Club Scrap in October. In this collection, you will find everything you need to make 12 beautiful cards, including 2 sheets of this really cool map print and then 2 sheets of cut-aparts. And this is our secret sauce to not having to do any stamping, but you'll be able to make some gorgeous cards. If you prefer to stamp, you can just go ahead and turn the piece over and stamp your own sentiments and greetings. And we're also including a beautiful assortment of plain papers in blue, gray, metallic sand, black linen texture. This is a 100-pound cover weight, and ivory. And you can see it's a nice heavy quality paper. And in addition, we have these fun little mini airmail envelopes, a series of 3 beautiful ribbons, 4 of these silver suitcase charms, and also 4 of these adorable plain woodcuts. Now with these items, and if you follow along with my printable instructions in my video workshop, you'll create 4 each of this style card in an A2 envelope, which of the envelopes are also included, and then this fun stand-up card that has the airmail envelope pocket and tags inside each one, and then also one of these really cool hinge cards. There's an opening there, and when it opens you can see the greeting right behind the panel on the front. So we're gonna have a lot of fun making the cards. I hope you join me for class and join us at Club Scrap with a card kit membership. See you soon.